Welcome back to this new episode, and in which we will be creating the form. So start by defining a form and make this slightly bigger. The action and the method will be paused for now, and later we'll be implementing Ajax for our process. So we will have a text area. So name will be command, command, and that's it. And I will have like a br tag, very simple minimalistic form, and I will do a button. And here I would like really to use the Prestashop. It's called UI kit, that we could like copy paste the stuff that will fit to the template. So first of all, I'd like to search for forms and input blah blah blah. So what is this? I'd like really to grab the integrity of this, and instead of that I will do move this inside, remove this out, just copy this form control and edit a class right here, and we should be good for that. And also for the buttons, so I would like to also get like primary button. This one look fancy and beautiful. So just grab this block of stuff and moving back to this, I'll do submit, also input type, submit, and I will assign the class that equals to, sorry, I have to move back, btn stuff, and yep, class equals to that. And the value should be, what's wrong? Okay, what is that? The value will be just simply submit. Okay, right here I did not implement the translation. It's not a big deal, but just for the purpose of the course, I may later implement that to get more like universal plugin stuff. Okay, so right here we having the input. I forget to move this to message, or type, come on, type your message, and we'll set this to required. Yep, and the button below. Alright, so refreshing, it's type your message and does look beautiful, and when we do not, it does not accept. There you go. Great. Okay, so the method is post, and there you go. So the method is ready, very simple. And the next episode we will see how to handle this form submission.